Hi, you guys! In this video, I dive into the art of coordinated couple fashion, emphasizing the elegance of the old money aesthetic. Coordinating outfits with your partner not only showcases unity, but also exudes sophistication and a shared sense of style. I know that some may view matching ensembles as overly sentimental, but when executed with subtlety and class, they can make a powerful statement, clearly presenting you both as a cohesive team. Coordinated attire serves as a visual representation of a couple's unity and mutual understanding. By harmonizing your outfits, you communicate a shared identity and purpose, reinforcing the bond you share. This practice is not about wearing identical clothing, but about complementing each other's style to project a unified front. Such synchronization can enhance public perception, portraying you both as a well-matched and harmonious pair. Here are 4 tips for achieving a coordinated look without compromising individual style. Color coordination. Select a color palette that complements both partners. This doesn't mean wearing the exact same colors, but choosing shades that harmonize well together. For instance, if one partner wears a navy suit, the other might opt for a dress or accessories in complementary tones, like burgundy or gold. Style harmony. Align the formality and style of your outfits. If one is dressed in a formal evening gown, the other should match the level of formality with a tuxedo or a well-tailored suit. This balance ensures that both individuals look cohesive without overshadowing one another. Accessory. Echoing. Incorporate accessories that subtly tie your looks together. This could be through matching metals and jewelry, similar patterns in ties and scarves, or coordinating footwear styles. Such details can unify your appearances without being overtly identical. Maintain individuality. While coordination is key, it's essential to retain elements that reflect your personal style. This approach ensures that both partners feel comfortable and authentic in their ensembles, rather than appearing as though in uniform. That's it for this video. I hope I inspired you to try a couple's look next time you go out together. Have fun with it. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and if you want more of this, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up as it helps the algorithm to push this content out to others. Stay chic, stay classy, keep it gracious. Much love, and ciao for now.